Good morning, this is Dwayne. I had a student ask me a very interesting and good question. He had noticed that in instruction books, piano instruction books, uh, seventh chords often just have three notes. And he knew that seventh chords really had four notes, so he was asking me why that was the case. Uh, and the answer is it makes it easier for beginners to play. Usually you start out in an instruction book learning the C chord like that and the F chord like that in inversion. So that's easier to move from the C chord to the F chord than it is to go C, F, isn't it? Because you just move the top two notes up and leave the bottom one where it is. So in the seventh chord, the three primary chords in the key of C, of course, are C, F, and G7. So in a G7, instead of playing it like this, which is hard for a beginner to play because you got four notes to deal with, they do this. And they use that for G7. So you have G and F and B. Now where's the other note of a chord? Well, seventh chords are made out of root, third, fifth, and seventh. So the fifth is left out, isn't it? So we're leaving the fifth out of the chord. But it's okay because you still get the same idea, don't you? The human ear kind of implies the fifth, the presence of the fifth, when you play the root, third, and seventh. Let me put it this way. If you played a G7th chord and you left out the root, what would you have? You don't know where the root is. You need the root to establish what the chord sounds like. Otherwise, that sounds like B diminished, doesn't it? Okay? So you need that root. You also need the third, because if you don't have the major third, your mind could very well imply the minor third. Okay, so you need to include that. And of course, you need a seventh and a seventh chord. Otherwise, you don't have a seventh chord, right? So the only logical note to leave out is that fifth note. So that's the answer to that question. And I thought that was very insightful of the student to ask that. Why do some four-note chords only have three-note chords? And that's the reason for that. Okay, that's it for today, and tomorrow we'll take up another subject like that. So hope to see you over at playpiano.com, where you can sign up for all these free videos. So hope to see you there. Bye-bye for now.